What's going on, guys? So hopefully tomorrow, Thursday, I'll be back to streaming. I'm doing just little stints here, sitting down at my desk and then getting up and walking around, doing some rehab exercises. I'm about 50% better from my back injury, so that's really good. And I'm hoping to get back into the swing of things tomorrow. Today, just one trade. Yesterday, one trade. Yesterday, I was red 700 bucks, posted in the Discord. Today, I'm green 200 bucks. So far, it's been a green week, but I haven't done a whole lot this week because of my back. Now, today's trade was a bear flag again. I've been trading these bear flags for the last couple weeks, and they're slowly starting to get a little bit too choppy now. But I have presence of mind about that, so I am able to manage risk a little bit better. I'm a little bit quicker on the take profits as well. So today I'm going to show you that trade I took. I do have it recorded. Unfortunately, there's part of it that's kind of cut off, but I'll still walk you through it. First things first, I'll show you the trade right in here. Here's the bear flag that I traded this morning. We had the big drop, right, which is your flag pull right in here on big volume. And then we traded sideways here, right? We traded a little bit sideways here. I went ahead and got a starter position short inside the flag. And when we broke down and out of the flag, I added to the position. And I immediately put some profit targets out here and got some profit off at 27.25. We did get all the way down here to 25s. I had another take profit just about underneath that level, or about 25.50. And then I had more take profits underneath that. But I was mindful of the simple fact that the hourly chart was showing potential 25 level support. I'll move this blue line down there, and you can see here we bounced off this level back here. We bounced off this level here. We bounced off this level back here, and we got down here. And where are we bouncing off of? Right there again. We're bouncing off of this hourly line. So since I was mindful of that, what I should have done was taken a little bit more profit than I did. But I did hold on to the bulk, looking for a drop into 25.50 for one more take, leaving me just a small position for looking for further downside, being runners, looking for further downside with runners. Now here's the trade. Let me get that recording for you. So here's the trade. You can see, yeah, see that's right there. That's the chart behind me, the live one. You could see right here that the numbers are cut off. You can't see the price point, and in some cases you can't even see the candle move. But here you can see it a little bit, and you can see that I'm short right there, just 3 contracts, right? And I got 3 lots, and I'm looking for a breakdown and out of the bear flag for a confirmation move so that I can add to it. Immediately, I'm going to be mindful of what? The 25 area, and I'm mindful of where my stop loss zone is, okay? If we come out of this and then we quickly reclaim and get back inside this flag and back up here, I'm going to stop out of this position because that means the pattern has been invalidated. But that's not exactly what happens here. We break down and out of the flag. There it is. There's your breakdown and out of the flag. I add to my position. I immediately have 2 contracts right here to cover a piece of that position. And because of this piece that I covered, this is a green trade. Mind you, it's not a home run trade. It's only a couple $100 and change, but it's a green trade because I protected myself here knowing that we are in front of an hourly support zone in what is definitely a very choppy market. So we'll go ahead and fast forward this just a tad. There we go. We get that fill. And then we get all the way down here in front of my next fill. Man, I really wish I would have just maybe upped this just a tad or just taken everything off here at these 3 points for the scalp. But I thought if we got ourselves down to 25 and we cracked, we should see 20, 21, 22 zone where I would have gotten flat. But that's not what happened here, unfortunately. So there I am. I'm still in 4 contracts. And I'm organizing my orders now and adjusting everything and getting ready to, see, put them back out there. So now we have 4 contracts. I have 3 contracts ready here to take profit. And then my last one, which would have been my bigger runner, all the way down here. See, we tap that next one. We tap it, man. I'm so upset. I did not get that. Nonetheless, And we've at least taken some profits off here. I had 6 contracts. I'm down to 4 here. And now I said to myself, okay, if we bounce back up into this level, we're kind of break even, I'm going to cut it out, because more often than not, what I'm thinking is, since this is an hourly level, we're going to bounce off the zone and either do a little bit of a recovery or get choppy. So you can see here, as we're getting towards the end of this trade, we're bouncing, we get back up in there, I take it off. Now, what happened after I took that trade off? We went right back inside the bear flag, which would have stopped me out anyways. And not only that, we went all the way up here to 34.75 zone. And now we're trading sideways up here. And if you come here to the hourly channel, what are we doing? We're almost in the middle of that hourly channel. So I'm not looking to, stay in there too long or get chopped out. I'm going to take that money, right, put it in the account and move on. Tomorrow's another day. I got to get resting. I got to go do some rehab exercises and rest my back. As you can see, I have barely moved as I'm doing this video. So I hope you guys are doing well. Tomorrow, I hope to be back to streaming at least a little bit. And I'll see you guys there. Thank you very much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and have a good one. Peace.